So this is it. Maria, that's very rude. Do you understand? That's very, very rude. But she can excuse herself. She can excuse herself. Like everybody's having a conversation.
She will just go. That's my fucking point. She will just go.
We're talking about the toilet situation. Yeah, we're talking like I don't like that.
Commotion in Big Brother NAIJA house as Boma blasts Maria for splashing her food on his shirt. The Big Brother NAIJA house this morning has kicked off to an exciting start as viewers who love the violence part of the show have something to talk about. Before Maria got out of bed this morning, the remaining housemates have been talking about how they can stop the continuous pee on toilet seats and floors in the restrooms. Boma, the head of house, had suggested he would call a meeting when everyone was awake, which he eventually did, and Maria, who just woke up, was part of it. Maria, however, went straight to get her food, which White Money had prepared for her before she got up from bed. Then she sat amidst other housemates at the dining eating her meal while Boma kicked off the meeting. Along the line, while the meeting was on, Maria stood up and yelled the words among the housemates, "You guys are so annoying." Then she went ahead to dispose of her food, went back to the room and laid on her bed. This immediately created a confusion in the house as the meeting stalled and some housemates, including Boma, went straight to meet her in the room to know why she acted that way.
You threw the plate at the soft water on my clothes and I kept telling you.
I said I didn't mean to do that.
Boma, Maria, you actually have to understand that Boma wasn't there.
Like you said, I didn't mean to do that.
And I kept calling you, I kept telling you, you just walked away.
I am sorry, I wasn't looking.
Oh my God.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please stay subscribed to NAIJA News and Entertainment.